Hi guys, I'm Alex Filvet, and today I want to record third video about creating of the hologram in Unreal. So first step, I want to upload my texture that I already created in Photoshop. Here how it looks like. And one more texture, it's called T-White. It's just simple white texture. Here, so you can just create in Photoshop or in other software the same image, just completely white. And also I want to import video, so if you remember, let me show you. So you can see that this hologram is turning, like my logo is turning around. So for this purpose, I want to import this video. Let me show you. So everything is static except of this hologram logo, right? Okay, so let's import. Yeah, awesome. And now I want to open video and change settings. So here advanced, and I want to check this one. Save and close. And furthermore, we can create media player, and also you should check this settings. Okay, so let's open our media player, double click on my video. I want to check loop and save in this way. And now I want to open settings, plugins, and I should upload plugin, I guess it's called Electra. Yeah, and let's select all of these plugins, four plugins. Restart now. Save selected. Okay, so our project is open. Let's check again. Electra. Yeah, now it's working. So we can close the settings. Let's open level blueprint. Okay, it's opening. Let's create variables. Media player. Yeah, like this. We can press compile, and now we can see this parameter. And here, let's select our media player. Now let's drag it here, get new var, compile, save. Now begin play, begin play. Let's put it here. And it's time to create open source. Let's uncheck this setting, yeah, in this way. Also, we can plug our new var here. Wait, I want to move it slightly lower. And here, let's select our video. compile, save. Let's close our screen and okay, so now it is hologram screen. So we should go to content, hologram race. So yeah, it should be here, and I want to create material. So hologram M. Let's open our new material and let's switch our blend mode from opaque to translucent. Now it's time to create our first node. It should be world position. This one, yeah. And let's create scalar parameter. Just hold 1 and press left click. Non-converter parameter, and let's put the name spacing _01. And also I want to change value here to 10. I want to divide it, so let's type here divide in this way. Next node is component mask. Let's plug it here. And I want in my hologram that lines that will create effect of the hologram, I want to go them to go vertically. So for this purpose I should check blue color. And actually you can choose other channels, and in this way you will get different effects, so you can play with it. And next node should be panner node. Okay, let's connect them in this way, and I also want to change my Y speed to 2. So next node is generated band. Let's plug it here. And actually for width, I want to create another scalar parameter, converter parameter, and I want to give the name line width. Line width (01). Let's change our value to 0.7 and plug it here. And panner node, I want to put it here. Now it's time to select all our nodes. Let's move it here, and we can press Ctrl D in this way, and let's move it here. So in this way we can create parameters for our second line. Now let's change the name, line width 02, and also value. I want to put here 0.5, And here in panel node, I want to change my value to, wait, not here, here 0.4. Even not 0.4, but just 4. And the same with this parameter. Let's change name to 02 and let's change value to 20. Okay, 20. Now let's do the same one more time. Select our nodes and Ctrl D. So now we can create our third line. Let's change the name. And I want to make this line very thin. So let's change our values here to 1 and change the name 03. Yeah. And now we have 3 lines that will go vertically. And next step is to create Fresnel effect. So let's create Fresnel function. And let's create another one scalar parameter. Convert to parameter. Let's call it glow power. And also I want to change value to 5 and plug it to power in this way. Additionally, let's create a texture. So hold T and left click. Now I want to find Perlin noise texture. Perfect. Let's move it here and create panel node. Panel node and plug it to UVs. Hold 3 and left click. Let's convert it to a parameter and I want to give name at glow speed. And I want to change value for green channel. So here 0.05. Let's plug it to speed. And I want to combine them. So let's create multiply. Let's plug it here. This one here. Okay. Now I want to create one more multiply. Plug it here and create scalar parameter. I want to give the name glow size and change value to 30. Yeah, in this way. I want to combine these 2 lines, so for this purpose I want to create multiply node, plug them in this way, and I want to create node add and plug it in this way. Now it's time to create blend overlay. Blend overlay. Yeah. In this way, our colors will be inverted, so I want to plug it here. I want to create one more multiply, but for this purpose I need to move all of these nodes slightly to the left. So let's drag and create multiply and connect in this way. Moreover, I want to create add, and I want to plug in this way and here in this way. Now let's hook it up to emissive color. I'm gonna fix this error, but at first I want to create parameter and call it opacity. And plug it to opacity. And of course, let's change value to 0.5. Now here I want to create one more parameter, hold 3 and left click. I want to create blue color temporarily. Let's move it slightly higher and create texture and convert it to parameter, and let's put the name texture. Let's create panner node. And plug it here. Let's create constant vector, so just hold 3 and left click. Let's plug it here to speed. And I want to change value for the red color. 0.05. Yeah, in this way. Now I want to combine these two. For this purpose I should create multiply, and let's hook up here and here. Let's select our white texture in this way. And now it's time to hook up this node to blend overlay. Yeah, now you can see that our material is working, and you can see this hologram effect. But now I want to change the name for this parameter to texture speed in this way, and let's save it, of course. So let's close it, and now just right click and create material instance. Yeah, in this way. Now it's time to apply our material to our hologram screen in this way. Let's open it, And instead of white, I want to find my new media player. Let's save it. Now let's save our project. And I want to try and play. Yeah, we can see our hologram, but it's slightly moving to the left, as you can see. Let's fix it. I think I should change colors. So here I want to pick white. And this way. And let's put to our opacity my texture. So where's my texture? Black white background, and hook it up to opacity. Yeah, in this way. Now we can save and close our material. And I want to change the speed of my texture. Because that's why my texture was moving slightly to the left. Now I want to try and play how it looks like. Yeah, it's working, it's moving. Awesome. And by the way, for example, in my previous project, when I applied texture, you can see that I had these steps. Let me show you how to fix it. So for this purpose, I should open my texture. Where's my texture, by the way? Oh yeah, I put it here. So I should change my compression settings from default to user interface 2D. In this way. Now let's press save. Yeah. So in this way you can fix that effect, like when you can see steps when it's not completely transparent. So in my previous project I had this problem. And this is the end of our, I guess, third video. Yeah. So next step will be lens flare. If you remember, wait a second. Let's press G. So now you can see it better. So you can see this lens flare like in front of this light source. In this case it looks way better, much more interesting. I will just import this lens flare to my project. If you want to check how to create lens flare, you can just check video on my channel. I already created a tutorial about the process of creating of this lens flare. Yeah. So next video will be final.